Hi, my name is Chris from Scandinavian Biolabs. Today we're going to talk about hair recovery conditioner for men. The all-natural, silicone-free, 100% vegan conditioner for damaged hair. Applying conditioner is crucial in maintaining the integrity and durability of hair strands. Every time you cleanse, the natural oils are stripped away, leaving your hair dry, brittle, and vulnerable to damaged hair. Let's go through 3 of the most important features in our conditioner, starting with Abyssinian oil. Abyssinian oil, derived from an oilseed crop, forms a lipid-based film around the shaft of the strands. The protective film improves hair elasticity, hair strength, and enhances shine. Brassica oil is the natural alternative to silicone. It has a protective coating that is capable of reducing dryness and breakage from heat exposure up to 230 degrees Celsius. The oil makes hair more resilient, keeping hair calm from frizz for the entire day.